Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily and quickly disable developer options on absolutely any Android device. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write comments after watching and also subscribe to this channel. And friends, let us get started with you. And now I will show you from the very beginning the whole process. First of all, you on your Android will need to turn on Settings. Go to Settings. To do that, you can swipe from the right side of the screen, from the top to the bottom. Next, friends, tap on the gear to go to Settings. After that, the easiest thing to do, so you don't have to flip around and look for developer settings, you can find the search bar at the top of the settings. Click on it. And then look for the developer options. Go to that. After that, friends, you'll just have to click on this button to turn them off. Or if it says Enable Disable, just then you have to click on this button when it says Enable. To disable these developer settings. Friends, this is a very simple, quick method you can easily disable developer options on any Android. I really hope this video was helpful and useful to you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes under the video. See you soon.